Hi and welcome to another edition of our weekly market outlook report for the week starting Monday, the 1st of June. We have a busy week ahead of us, which starts with China and US manufacturing PMI data on Monday. On Tuesday, we should be on the lookout for RBA interest rate decision and statement. Going forward, Eurozone unemployment, US ISM non-manufacturing PMI figures, Bank of Canada interest rate decision and crude oil inventories will be closely watched on Wednesday. On Thursday, the main point of interest is reserved for Australia trade balance, US jobless claims data, in addition to the ECB rate decision and press conference. The week will finish on Friday with probably the most anticipated data release for the forthcoming week, which is US non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate and average earnings data. Now, let's take a look at few markets. This is Bitcoin, and we could see that Bitcoin is uptrending quite nicely in this intraday time frame. This recent price action over the past week or so looked like a potential double top forming with the neckline zone pointing to 8,690, 8,500. The price pulled back lower, came to this rising support trend line and also the neckline, and we can see that there was a big massive wick formed here, therefore a buying pressure, and the price returned inside of this trading range. So bulls are hoping for this support to hold around 9,000, so either a pullback to 9,000 and a breakout higher, or a gradual move higher and a breakout in particular above 10,000 would be perceived to be quite bullish, targeting resistances towards 10,380, 10,700, 11,000 on the upside. Alternatively, if we see a dip lower and the loss and end of day close below 9,000, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move, targeting 8,690, 8,500, 8,200 supports yet again. Dow Jones appears to be uptrending, supported by multiple moving averages and rising support trend line. Over the past week, we saw a bit of a pullback. In particular, on Friday, President Trump was speaking about China and Hong Kong towards the end of the trading week, and subsequently the price corrected higher and created this bullish candle here. Important support to hold is at 25,000, so bulls are looking for that 25,000 level to carry on offering support, because it was a previous high breakout. Now that's the retest of that level on a number of occasions. As long as 25,000 holds, bulls are hoping for a spike higher and retest of this zone here from the last week's highs, 25,650, 25,790. Breakouts above these two levels could open the way for an additional move higher, targeting 25,950, 26,000, 26,100. Alternatively, if we see a pullback lower and an end of day close below 25,000, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move, targeting initially additional supports at 24,880, 24,620. This is crude oil. Crude oil is uptrending quite nicely, but it's coming to a fairly significant level of resistance now. 35.50 level is where this gap formed from the March time. As long as that level holds resistance and we see a gradual move lower, bulls are looking for a retest of these supports down here towards 32.70, 31.50. And a breakout higher, or a gradual move and a breakout above 36.50 could further indicate an extension to the upside, targeting 39.40, possibly even 41.30 resistances on the upside. Alternatively, only the dip lower and end of day close below 31.50 could open the way for a deeper corrective move, targeting additional supports at 30.70, 30.28.40. Gold appears to be breaking out yet again. We had a very nice consolidation here with the breakout, subsequent consolidation, basically a breakout and a retest of the breakout, and then we see another breakout here. Key trading level going forward is at 17.20, 17.24. As long as that level holds, bulls are in charge. In particular, if we see either a pullback to that level and a breakout, or a gradual move higher and a breakout above 17.37, that could open the way for a spike higher, targeting additional resistances towards 17.58, 17.75, 17.85, and then 1800. Alternatively, if we see a pullback lower and the loss of 1710, 1705, in particular 1700, which is nice and round number, psychologically important support, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move and retest of additional supports towards 1690, 1685. Euro dollar looks like a bullish breakout above a psychologically important resistance. This was a sideways trading range capped by 110. Breakout above 110 is currently testing these previous highs at 111, 111.50. If this bullish continuation carries on, the next level of resistance on the upside is at 1.12, 1.13, 13.20. Alternatively, if we see a pullback lower and the loss, an end of day close of 1.10, retest of that level from underneath as a newly found resistance, that could open the way for a deeper corrective move, targeting additional supports at 109.50, 109. Cable price action appeared to be a shoulder, head and shoulder, which is a topping formation with the neckline here. The price lost that neckline, retested it on a number of occasions, and now we are creating something that looks like a rising wedge, still below these current lows. Key trading level going forward is resistance at 124. If that resistance holds and we see a gradual pullback lower, loss of 120 to 90, could open the way for a deeper corrective move, targeting 120, 121.90, 121, 121.80. Sorry, 120.80. Alternatively, if we see a breakout and end of day close above 124, that would negate the bearish scenario and basically indicate a continuation of this sideways move, targeting resistances at 125, 126, 126.12. Lastly, let's talk about dollar yen. Dollar yen was moving sideways. Key trading level for dollar yen is 107. Bulls appear to be in control above that level. In particular, if we see a breakout above this sequence of the highs at 108.20, breakout over 108.20 could open the way for an extension to the upside, targeting 108.65, 109, 109.50, 109.67. Alternatively, if these resistances hold and we see a pullback lower, an end of day close below 107 would be considered to be quite bearish, targeting additional downside supports at 106.60, 106. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and happy trading. Bye for now.